welcome back to Cooking and Cookie Show. So in the last video I was cracking up because of my cough. It's fall, guys, so yeah. So we're going to be making cough drops now. I tried both of these. This is the disgusting one. And then we have these to wash it down because these are good.
These are disgusting. We'll make the disgusting ones first. This thing, it broke. Okay, so I'm making the disgusting ones in 3, 2, 1. Gosh, thanks.
Okay, so those cough drops are disgusting, but they work really well, so like 7 out of 10. I'm actually gonna give it a 7 out of 10. If you think of it, I actually did underrate them a little bit, but yeah. So anyways, next we're going to be rating the good one. But it doesn't help as much.
But it's really good. But this one's on the floor, but should I still eat it? What do you think? I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for it, but I put it in my mouth. These ones are a 9 out of 10. Like after putting those in, then doing these just to like wash that taste away. So good at them. But there's only one problem. There's 80 of these. Wow. There's only 30 of these. And I already wasted 3 of them, so there's like 78 of those left. But I wasted 1 of them. So now I only have 27 of these left. Get out. No one wants to see your jaw. Nicholas, stop. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Don't. Better let me fall. No. Oh my God!